Janssen is also really proud to sponsor the annual bursary. The goal of the bursary is to support the academic and professional development of the student by supporting the winner to attend the annual pharmacoeconomic and outcomes research conference. They have the opportunity to attend educational seminars, meet with colleagues in the field of health economics, pharmacoeconomics and outcomes research, learn and share best practice.
So when we were talking about the bursary and when we were looking for a way in which Janssen could honour the best overall student, we wanted to honour it in a way that was professionally and educationally advantageous to the student.
I was, of course, absolutely delighted that I'd won, the Janssen-sponsored bursary. At the ISPOR conference, there was absolutely no shortage of workshops, issue panels, and discussions on hot topics in health economics. And it was an absolutely fantastic experience just to be able to kind of get really involved in that.
And I think those workshops are particularly useful because they will typically cover exciting new techniques that are of academic interest to the student, but are also of professional interest because Janssen are interested in what are the latest techniques.
It really enables the student to have that opportunity for education and sharing best practice to aid with their personal and professional development.